Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today we're doing a little New Year's celebration and we're gonna be cooking up a dish that growing up down south, I used to have every single New Year's Day. It was like a staple of good luck or something. And it was black-eyed peas. I love black-eyed peas. I really do. You might not be the biggest fan of black-eyed peas, but trust me, the way we're gonna make them today, they're gonna be phenomenal because we're not just going to just make some ordinary, black-eyed peas. Of course not. What we're gonna do is smoke some shoulder bacon. All right, so this is bacon that's gonna come from a pork shoulder, not your traditional bacon. And we're gonna smoke the black-eyed peas today in cast iron. We're gonna throw in some seasonings, try it, and I guarantee it's gonna be delicious. And hey, who doesn't wanna kick off their new year with some kind of luck, right? So let's head into the new year together and let's get started. All right, so what you see here is shoulder bacon. This comes from a pork shoulder, also known as a pork butt. This is what you would typically make like pulled pork out of, hence the fat that's running through there. But we're cooking this like bacon. You can see that it's sliced up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sliced up just like bacon would be. So we're gonna put these slices onto the smoker. We're gonna let them sit there. Now, this is not going to get really like super crispy like an ordinary like slab bacon would, but it's still gonna be delicious because we're actually gonna mix this in with our black-eyed peas. Go ahead and open this up. All right, I'm just gonna lay these pieces of shoulder bacon out. Just like that. And listen, already we're gonna season this. I mean, I love the smell of it too. It's got that nice, rich pork smell to it. You may be asking yourself, are you really gonna use that much? And the answer is, I'm gonna smoke this much, but not use it all for the black-eyed peas. All right, for my rub for this shoulder bacon today, I'm gonna be using the Pit Boss Carolina barbecue rub. This is a mustard-based, like a mustard powder-based rub. It's got some sugar in there, really, really delicious, that Carolina style, like mustard-based barbecue. All right, now I'm not gonna go super crazy with it because this bacon already has a decent amount of flavor, and I don't want it to be overpowering. But just a light coating, not like that. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over, and side number 2 here. Like I said, not a lot. All right, that's all I'm gonna do. Now it's time to get it onto the smoker. All right, smoking this bacon today on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart, smoking at 250 degrees using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and actually put this bacon right onto the grates here, just like that. Oh, it smells so good. And the last one. All right, while that bacon cooks, let's get started on our black-eyed peas. All right, it's time for these black-eyed peas. Now, I got a confession. These black-eyed peas, I did not do the whole buy the dry peas and soak them overnight and all that kind of stuff. No, I bought canned black-eyed peas. And this is totally fine, all right? So like, I know that there are people that swear by doing it the other way, and that's totally fine, and I love them that way, but I'm all about simple today, right? And so this is gonna be super, super simple. So I'm going to open up one can. I got 2 cans. I don't know if I'll need both cans, but I'm gonna see. All right into my cast iron they go. Black-eyed peas. Oh. And this is such nostalgia for me. Oh, it smells so good too. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that second can. There we go. Now to these black-eyed peas, I'm only gonna add 2 things. First, it's one of my favorites, Kinder's The Blend seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic. You could do salt and pepper and garlic. It's just easier this way, and I really like this blend. I'm gonna add a fair amount. Remember, we're also gonna get some flavor from that bacon. And then the unsung hero of the condiment world, some yellow mustard. About that much, a tablespoon. All right, mix all that up. That yellow mustard flavor combined with that rub that's on that bacon. Oh man, I wish you could smell this right now. Oh, it smells so good. Combined with the flavor of the smoke, no less. All right, now I'm gonna take this is obviously cold, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on the smoker with the bacon, and then we'll be back to take it all off at the same time, and I'll show you how we're gonna incorporate the bacon into these delicious looking black-eyed peas. All right, take a look at this shoulder bacon. Oh man, that looks great. Really, really nice. It's got that beautiful brown color. You can kind of see a little bit of the rub color on there too, but again, we didn't go super heavy with it. All right, while my black-eyed peas finish warming up over on the smoker, I'm gonna go ahead and chop this bacon a little bit here. And I'm probably only gonna do like 4 slices of it, and then we'll save the rest of it for later. All right, just like that. Kind of slice it first. Kind of bunch it up together here. Give it a little bit of a chop. And honestly, that's about how I want it. Not much smaller than that. Mind if I taste it real quick? Oh, holy smokes. Oh my gosh, that rub is so good. Oh, woo-hoo. I cannot wait. All right, let me go get the black-eyed peas. All right, and here are the delicious looking black-eyed peas. Oh. And that smell, ladies and gentlemen. All right, what are we gonna do? Obvious. Take this shoulder bacon right into the black-eyed peas. And friends, all I gotta say is there you have it. Oh man, this just smells so good. You could smell a little bit of that mustardy smell, which I love. Listen, if you don't want to do the mustard, don't do the mustard, but I'm just telling you, it's gonna kick that thing off. All right, it's time to try it. Cannot wait. Again, I know I say it all the time about smells and stuff, but some of the smells that come out of these dishes, that come out of that smoker, man, it takes the things that you would normally smell and be like, oh yeah, that's black-eyed peas. And you're like, oh my gosh, those are incredible black-eyed peas. So here we go, I'm gonna go in here, make sure I get some of that bacon. Oh, this is gonna be great. This is an ode to my parents back down south. Making this every year. Not necessarily with the shoulder bacon, but definitely the black-eyed peas. Here we go. Oh man. Yeah. Yep. Holy smokes. That's good. I mean, you know, we didn't really talk about time. I guess I should tell you that. This didn't take very long at all. The bacon only took about 20, maybe 30 minutes on the smoker, and about the same amount of time for these peas. And I gotta tell you, I'm surprised at just the smokiness of this, because, I mean, being on the smoker for just about 30 minutes, you wouldn't think would do a lot, but there is a good level of smokiness to this whole dish. Listen, best part, mustard. You get that little tang. I don't know if the luck that it brings is based on how good it is, but if it is, I'm about to have the best year of my life. I'm gonna go ahead and get this inside, but thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure that you click that thumbs up, give us a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the post notifications. Click that little bell so that you are the first to know as soon as we post new delicious outdoor cooking content here on the channel. And definitely check out one of these other 2 videos and some things that we've made here recently outdoors on the channel. Have a happy, safe, wonderful new year, and I'll see you next time.